Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to enable Google Assistant in your Tecno Pop 9 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to just click on settings. Then this system, navigation, more, enable it. Long press the home button. Now you have to enable the internet, then like this, enable it. And friends, from here you can change it. Click on assistant info, and this is how you can enable Google Assistant. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.